In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Make, a simple yet powerful automation tool. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to connect these platforms seamlessly, enhancing your Shopify store's efficiency. Let's jump right in. To begin, you need to navigate to the Make dashboard. Ensure you're already logged into your Make account. The dashboard is your central hub, where you'll set up all your automation scenarios, essentially sequences of steps that will run automatically without you lifting a finger. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to create a scenario. This is an essential point in the process because a scenario in Make is like a blueprint for automation. Clicking on Create Scenario is your gateway to a multitude of possibilities for automating your Shopify tasks. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Shopify. This step is crucial as it helps you locate the precise functions and options that relate to Shopify. After typing in Shopify, you'll see various modules related to Shopify. Click on Shopify to proceed. This selects Shopify as the service you want to integrate with Make. Next, you'll be presented with several options like searching orders or other functionalities. For the purposes of today's setup, click on Search Orders or whatever option suits your immediate needs. This guides Make to know what type of data it should handle. The next step is to create a connection. Remember, a connection is like a bridge between Make and Shopify, enabling efficient data flow. Click on Create a Connection, which will initiate a series of straightforward but crucial actions to securely link your Shopify account with Make. Following this, it's important to specify the connection type. Click again on Connection Type and then select Shopify from the available options. This confirms to Make which service you are planning to connect. You'll need to enter your Shopify subdomain in the next field. Your subdomain is unique to your Shopify store and ensures the connection is made with the correct account. Type in your store-specific subdomain carefully. After entering your subdomain, click Save to record these settings. Saving here is crucial as it locks in all the configuration changes you've made so far and prepares your system for the connection approval. Before finalizing, Shopify will ask for permission to connect. Click on Install to approve these permissions. This step is very important for security, ensuring that Make can safely access the necessary data to perform its functions. Finally, after installing, return to Make and click Save again. By saving, you confirm that the connection is complete and ready to be used in various scenarios within Make. And there you have it, you've successfully connected Shopify to Make. This setup will streamline your workflow and enhance your store operations by automating many repetitive tasks. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.